Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. This is our chapter 3 overview over here. And we talked about first section, al-ism mansub, the relative adjective, okay, like makiyun, madaniyun, etc. And then last time we talked about al-ism tasghir, the diminutive noun, Hussein, things like that. And then today we'll talk about al-ma'rifatun wal-nakiratun, the third section, definitive and indefinite or common nouns, the third section. Okay, so let's talk about these al-ma'rifatu. So this section is about al-ma'rifatu. Al-ma'rifatu wal-nakiratu. Okay, so ma'rifa, of course, definitive nouns, definite nouns, definite, and nakira is indefinite. Here they use the term common nouns. I guess one more word to the vocabulary to know. So let's define this. So an-nakira, okay, an-nakira here, okay, it's a noun, okay, which denotes something unspecified. Okay, something unspecified. And sometimes you just have to kind of know these nerdy definitions. Nakira is the noun which denotes something unspecified. So rajulun, for example, a man. It could be any man, right? Rajulun. Okay. Whereas ma'rafa, okay, a noun which denotes noun, okay, which denotes something specific. ST, something, okay, means something specific. Okay. Al-ma'rifa, al-rajul, so one particular person. Okay, ma'rifa. There are 7 types of ma'rifatun. Okay. So in this case, we talk about al-ma'rifa. Okay. So an-nakira is this, unspecified, and ma'rifa. Okay. So if you know the ma'rifa, then you kind of know the nakira, I guess. So we're going to talk about al-ma'rifa. So al-ma'rifatu. Okay. So there are 7 types only. Alright. There are 7 types. Okay, let's talk about this. It's just a list of things that are always definite. Okay. So ma'rifa, definite nouns. Number 1, we know some of this already. Dhamirun. Okay. This is a personal pronoun. Pips. Personal pronoun. Okay, we talked about this before. Okay, number 2, Adamun. Damir, huwa, huma, hum, that's Damir. So Adamun is a proper noun. Okay, never a specific person, proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, and thing. So a name of a specific person, place, or thing. For example, Zaydun, Makkatun, Makkatu. Okay, and Zamzam. Zamzam. Okay, that's number 2. And then let's number 3. Ismu Ishara. Okay, Ismu Ishara. Demonstrated pronouns. The dip. Okay, which we talked about already before. And number 4. And Ismu Mausula. Ismu Mausul. Al-Ismu Mausul. Okay, these are the relative pronouns. The drip. So pip, rip, and dip. So these are easy to remember. So pip, personal pronouns, demonstrated pronouns, and relative pronouns. And then, okay, there's this number 5, 6, and 7. So I just put 5 over here. Al-mu'arrifu bil-lam. This is important. Al-mu'arrifu bil-lam. Bil-lam. Okay. In other words, it is a noun which has al. Okay. A noun which has al. Okay. A definite particle. Okay. Which is called. That's why it's definite. Okay. The definite. Ar-rajulu. Okay. Rajulun is indefinite, and ar-rajul. Ar-rajulu. The man. Okay, number 5. And then I'll just put 6 and 7 over here. Put number 6. The common noun which is mudaf to any of the 5 above nouns. Okay. The indefinite noun, indefinite or common noun, this new vocab term that they put on us. Definite or common nakira. So that is nakira tun. The indefinite noun which is mudaf to numbers 1 to 5 above. So if it's mudaf to any of these. Okay. Alright. Examples. Kitabuka, like this. Kitabu Zaydin, like this. Okay, so that's that. And finally, here we go. Okay. munati. Al mu munada. Al munada. Okay. Al munada. Al munada. Okay, is the vocative noun. Okay. That is a noun which appears after حرف النداء. حرف النداء is something that used to call someone. يا رجل. رجل. يا رجل. See? So this is حرف النداء here. Okay. And this becomes therefore munada. Okay. This is the munada. Okay. Ya raju. So it becomes definite. Okay. So that's it. There's 7 categories of definite nouns. That's it, huh? I thought there would be more, but there it is. So 7 categories of definite nouns. We have to memorize these. So this section was about al-ma'rifatu wa nakira. Al-ma'rifa is definite nouns, which nouns which denotes something specific. Indefinite nouns are common nouns, which denotes something that is unspecified, regular. And the section is about ma'rifa. Really, this section is really about ma'rifa. And they say there's 7 types of ma'rifa. And we talked about dhamirun, okay, personal pronouns, proper nouns, and names of person, place, of things. So Zamirun or Alimun, and then number 2, there's number 3 with Ismul Ishara, and then number 4, Ismul Mawsula, Al-Lazeen and Lazal, those type of thing. And then number 5 is Al-Mu'arrifu, Al-Mu'arrifu Billam, a word that has Al in it. Okay, anything has Al in it. Okay, and number 6 and is an indefinite common noun, nakira, which is mudaf. Okay, basically a nakira that is a mudaf to any of the following. So there's really 5. This kind of looks messy quality here. So let's kind of like write this down over here. Dhamir, okay, and then alamun. Okay, number 2. Ismul Ishara, Ismul Mawsula. Okay. And then you have Ismul Ishara. And then Ismul Mawsula. Okay. Ismul Ishara, Ismul Mawsula. And Al-Mu'arrifu Billam. Billam, that is a word that has al. Okay. And that was number 5. And number 6, Nakira, that is mudaf. Nakira. Okay. That is a mudaf to any of these. Okay. And finally, the 7th category was al-munada. Okay, so that's the 7 categories. Okay, it's pretty easy enough. Okay, so Damir was the first category. This is the personal pronouns, pip, and these are the nouns, specific names of things And number 3, ismul ishara. These are the demonstrated pronouns, right? Pip, rip, and dip. Number 4 here, slightly out of order. Pip, rip, and dip, ismu mawsula, relative pronouns, and this is number 5 is mu'arrifu billam, and number 6 is nakira mudaf, a nakira that's mudaf to any one of the above, and number 7 the munada, now that follows harfu nida. Okay, so these are the 7 categories of nouns that are ma'rifa. Okay, so it's the 7 categories of ma'rifa nouns. So that's it, and I think that was a review. We reviewed the whole thing, and inshallah we'll go on to the next section next time. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah walhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.